We are at Tinker's Falls in the middle of nowhere, New York, Labrador, Hollow Unique area. Looked pretty impressive online. It's a really short, like 0.6 mile hike. Tons of people here, so get the part where I speak to the camera out of the way. Well, snake moving away from us. It looks like a garden snake, but it's got a decidedly more red belly than the yellow one I'm used to. That is a very impressive waterfall. The stairs are extremely narrow and they are wet and super slippery. We watched a couple people come down, not too well. So Nina has much smaller feet than me, so she went up there, filmed behind it, and then came back down. And I was gonna, but she advised against it because it was that bad. It took the other guy like a solid 8 minutes to get down. It was pretty slippery. So that's the first one. We're off to the next one, I believe is Prats Falls. All right, we're at Prats Falls. It's only 0.6 miles down. Pretty sure it's mostly stairs, and then we're there. But another big one. We'll check out the top afterwards, where the you can actually see the canal where the water is coming. Well, we lucked out. There's nobody down here, and nobody's over the guardrails swimming in the bottom of the falls. It is really flowing today, so I'm gonna see if I can get a decent picture. The sun really came out and is blasting on it. The lens I got, I'm not sure it's gonna work out, but really nice. Honestly, Prats Falls, this is one of the biggest ones that we've been to in the area. We do have one more to go to, and well, I think it's even bigger. All right, we're back at the top. Only took a couple minutes, but here's a view from way up. Never see this on any of the videos I watched online. Everybody went to the bottom, but nobody took a video of the front from the top, just over on top of the canal. We got out of there just in time. Like 20 different people showed up, slammed that area. So I got my photo and I left. It's really bright. I'm gonna see if I play around with it in Lightroom what it looks like. But there it is. Oh yeah, you could see where we were standing. Oh, and look, all those fine gentlemen there jumped over the do not cross barrier so they could take their selfie 5 feet closer to the waterfall. And there it is from the top. Very tall, very impressive, honestly. And then the canals right over here. Seems that this was the site of the first mill in the county. This is a millstone. They have them all over New England. Whether or not that's an original is a different question. Wow, we like circled this place, I think 3-4 times before we could find a parking spot. We're at Chittenango. I don't know how to pronounce it, but the GPS says Chittenango, so I'm gonna go with that. It's supposed to be one of the biggest waterfalls in the entire state. Saw some photos online, looked real impressive. But another short one, real quick hike down, check it out. All right, we finished up. We're trying to get a cell phone signal so we get some directions out of here. It was packed, like, wow, packed, unbelievable. I had to wait a little bit for the spot I took to clear out so I could take photos and videos. Definitely worth it. That was incredible. Like, it was so powerful. That's one of the biggest, I think, water flows of any waterfall I've seen. I've seen taller, obviously in New York I've seen taller, but in terms of just like power and the amount of water coming over, that thing it's up there. I mean, it looks like a mini Niagara Falls. It's really impressive. So hope you enjoyed. A couple quick parks near Syracuse. We'll catch you on the next one.